'Cause all my time is spent here longing to belong to you. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson video, how to play Longing to Belong by Eddie Vedder. If you're serious about learning the songs from Eddie Vedder's Ukulele Songs, I highly recommend that you get the Ukulele Songbook. It's a very good resource and will help you out a lot. Start with the chords. The first one is a C major 7. Now you can play it with any finger. You're going to play the first string on the 2nd fret. I like to play it for this song with my ring finger. That way I can go from there to the F, which you do a lot through the song. You're just going to rock back and forth between fingers. So the F is going to be the 2nd string 1st fret and the 4th string 2nd fret. The next chord we get to is the D minor chord. You've got the F, and then put your ring finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret, and that makes it a D minor. And you're going to change from that to an A7 chord. Pick up these fingers, move your first finger over to the 3rd string 1st fret. And then that phrase ends on a G7. First finger goes 2nd string 1st fret, middle finger goes 3rd string 2nd fret, and your ring finger is 1st string 2nd fret. To you. The next new chord is the C7 no 3rd add sharp 11. Wow, that sounds hard, but on ukulele, no chords are really hard. First finger, 1st string, 1st fret. Second finger, 2nd string 2nd fret. I'm not trying to insult your intelligence, it's just really that easy. Well, not pretty, but the whole point behind that chord is to make you want to go to this chord, back to the G7. Picture down. That's all the chords. Now let's get some basic strumming down. Using one finger, I'm going to be using my middle finger today because I've got a small injury on my index finger, just enough to make me go ow, 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 so I'm not going to do that. So we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, but we're actually playing 8th notes, or actually 16th notes if you count the ups. We're going to be just strumming the downs. There's 2 reasons for this. One of them is in between the accents. It lets us hit the low string first. The second reason is you get to throw in the down, down every now and then. Now if you tried to play that, it doesn't sound anything like it. That's your basic strumming pattern. Now for some fun stuff. After the first hook, longing to belong to you, we're going to throw in this. Not as hard as it seems. Starts on a regular C with your middle finger. Then you're going to play the 5th fret, 1st string, back down to 3rd, 1st finger, 2nd fret, the D chord, ring finger, 1st string, 2nd fret, pinky, 3rd fret, 1st string. This time we're going to play the C with our pinky because then it's going to slide up. Strum it really, really slow. Now, I know I'm changing fingerings on this note. Sometimes for me it's easier to play it stretching the pinky, and other times by sliding it. Play around with it, see which is easier for you. Way on down in the song, there's another riff that's really, really easy. And when the time is right, I hope that you respond. So all we're going to do is we're playing a G chord. We're going to play the top note, put our pinky down, play that again, and then write down the chord. Like when the wind gets tired, the ocean becomes calm. Nothing to it. Don't forget to check below the video for a link to the best way I know of to get the Eddie Vedder Ukulele Songs songbook, as well as links to other lessons you might like. Below that, there's a gray box for questions. If you didn't understand something, I probably left it out, so please ask questions. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Longing to Belong by Eddie Vedder. Thank you for watching.